People celebrate Sajibu Nomapan Bachairauba with traditional fervor and gaiety. Imphal East Police along with volunteers of Youth Voluntary Association Khergaon conducts drive against use and sale of illicit drugs at Khergaon. And former Commerce and Industries Minister El Jatra says Meitei community qualifies the criteria of civil tribe under Article 342 of the Indian Constitution. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chairauba, one of the biggest festivals of the Meitei community, is celebrated across the state today. Believed to have been started during the reign of King Malia Pambalcha, people welcome the new year by offering seasonal flowers, fruits and vegetables to God and preparing special dishes on the day. Every family prepares special dishes and offer them to the local deities at their gates, praying for happiness and prosperity. Neighbors also exchange the special dishes prepared for the day. Married women present gifts to their parents and brothers on the occasion. The younger generation also seek the blessings of the eldest in the family. After the feast, people climb hills in the afternoon as a tradition. President Ramnath Kovind, Governor Dr. Nasma Heftullah and Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren has extended their greetings to the people on the occasion and wished that the festival bring peace, prosperity and love among the communities of the state.
People
including young children and elderly persons climb hills as part of the Chairauba celebration and offered prayers. Chairauba climbers flock to the Thangmebel Chairok Ching. Temporary toy shops, eateries and other small shops were the main attraction in the hill. This year, the number of people climbing the hill was comparatively larger than the last year. Large number of people offered prayers to deity Tharo Ima and Ibudog Nompok Chingu Aharaba at Sacred Nompok Chingu Thong in Thalo Sipit Lok, organized by Ima Laishem Inat Loisang on the occasion of Sajibu Nomapan Bachairauba today. A public meeting with an aim to preserve the culture and tradition of the forefathers on the occasion. A flag representing Manipur's Salaitaret was also hosted at Chinguching around 7 in the morning, seeking God's guidance to achieve a harmonious coexistence among the communities in the state. In the afternoon, numerous devotees who worship the Pangan Meitei gods visited the shrine of Tharo Ima at Nompok Chingu Thong Laifam land and later climbed Chinguching and paid respect to the shrine of Ibudog Nompok Chingu Aharaba. Speaking to Impact News, devotees who visited the shrine expressed gratitude for the opportunity to pay respect to the age-old gods of Manipur and appeal to the people to preserve and safeguard the customs and tradition which existed in the state since time immemorial.
Salaitaret ki pibasingna salaitaret ki piransina masakta ise masi kogi meitei lebak meitei gi laifam sina ta ini aduna singu nompok aharaba haiba mafam masi singu di koyum laini nompok ahara ahanba lai ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯉꯨ ꯅꯣꯡꯄꯣꯛ ꯍꯥꯔꯕꯗ ꯁꯂꯥꯏ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯈꯪꯅ ꯀꯥꯔꯛꯇꯅ ꯊꯧꯅꯤꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯈꯪꯖꯕ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯈꯪꯖꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯐꯝ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡ ꯈꯪꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕ ꯆꯥꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯃꯝꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯏꯪꯅ ꯆꯤꯛꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯤꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯕꯨ ꯆꯩꯔꯥꯎꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯄꯥꯟꯕꯒꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯖꯔꯝꯗꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯪꯖꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯆꯍꯤꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯃꯤꯟꯅꯖꯕꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯩ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯐꯪꯖꯕꯁꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯆꯍꯤꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗꯀꯣ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯗ ꯍꯟꯖꯜꯂꯒ ꯄꯨꯂꯞꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯇꯤꯇꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯟꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯊꯋꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯗꯤ ꯌꯧꯒꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯛꯄꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯧꯕ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ
ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯋꯥꯗꯦ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯃꯅꯥ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯥꯔꯛꯑꯦ
ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯊꯣꯡꯕ ꯆꯥꯔꯛꯏ
ꯃꯅꯥ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ
ꯆꯥꯔꯛꯑꯦꯕ
ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯀꯥꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗ ꯆꯠꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯆꯍꯤꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯌꯣꯅ ꯋꯤꯁ ꯄꯤꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
ꯅꯪ ꯆꯤꯡ ꯀꯥꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ
Langthabal Temple, which remained locked for the past 40 years, located at Langthabal Kunja, was reopened on the occasion of Sajibu Nongmapanda Cherauba today. The temple inside the 6th Assam Rifle Camp on Manipur University campus was reopened in presence of 6 AR officials and devotees from the surrounding area. Speaking to media person, company commander of 6 AR said that AR respects the culture of the state and that they allowed to reopen the temple, respecting the rituals of the state. Convener of Langthabal Apunba Committee, Karam Momocha, who took a major role in reopening the temple, said that the temple has been an important place for the devotees of the surrounding areas from time immemorial. He said that people used to visit the temple and offer fruits and vegetables on Cherauba, and as such, they strive to reopen the temple.
Akoi Langthabal Kunja अखोइगे लंगथबान कुनुंग हाइना खंगनरिबा मफम मसिदा चाही 1980 अदाइदगी लेखरिबदुना हौजिक 2018 असिदा अखोइ ngasi हाइबा अखोइगी सजिबुगी नोमा पानबा मैतै चैरावबा हाइना म्यामना खंगनरिबा असिदा अखोइगी चैरावबगी अखोइ लाई खुरुमबा से अखोइ हौदोंनाबा लंगथबान कुंजा लंगथबान मंत्रिखोंग नौरेम लैकाई लुगा ओइनाम लैकाई थोंजु क्यांगै पुलप पुल्लगा अखोइगी कमिटी में हाइतारे जॉइंट कमिटी में कोई सेमजरगा ngasi numit asidagi akoi mai tei cherauba amusung gauragi haibidi cherauba mari leinaba akoi kumai sing asigi akoi gi lai khurumbagi thorom machi ngasidagi akoi haure.
Titular King of Manipur, Laisemba Sanazauba, opened a newly constructed shrine of Atingkok Maru Sidaba Ipa in Thamaiban, Chirauching from today. Many elders took part at the opening ceremony of the shrine. People offered fruits and vegetables to the Lord Atingkok Maru Sidaba Ipa on the occasion. The handing over of Royal Walking Stick of the year 2018 was held at Uttara Sangland of Sanakonung today. Moirangthem Gyaima Maitei from Sunju Ward number 3 has been selected as the Chaitaba for the year. Titular King of Manipur Laisemba Sanajauba handed over Jesu, the Royal Walking Stick, to Gyaima before the shrine of the Ibudo Pakhangba, Laining Thong Nong Saba and Ima Yumjau Lairembi of Uttara Sangland of Royal Palace at the function. Angom Ningtho Khwai Lakpa Thokchom Ibohol of Royal Palace, Laloitanba Okramanglem, Tangshu Hanba Yumnam Babumacha and other members of Sanakonung Sana Konung attended the event. The titular king took the royal walking stick from last year's Jaithaba Okram Koiringba and handed over to the new Jaithaba Moirangthem Yaima Meitei. The 28th Poknafam Ima, which is organized every year on Chazibu Noma Panbachirauba, was held today at Jadarkiti Auditorium Palace compound. Many youth singers and performers of the state participated at the musical presentation organized by Manipuri Chanura Laisem Maru Bacha Lima. As part of Manipur Police's relentless drive against the use and sale of illicit drugs in the state, a search drive was conducted at Khergaon, Imphal East today. Around 90 individuals, including a police personnel, were caught using and buying drugs during the drive organized by Youth Voluntary Association Khergaon with cooperation from Khergaon MLA and Indrajit. The police picked out some drug abusers in order to get a lead to the houses of drug sellers. Speaking to Impact News, additional SP Imphal East said that due to a suspected tip-off, no incriminating items were seized from the houses of the drug sellers. However, one drug supplier and his family members were arrested. The arrested persons were taken to the nearby police station for verification. Speaking to Impact News, President of the Youth Voluntary Association Khergaon, Abdul Nur asserted that various drives and awareness campaign against the use and sale of harmful intoxicants were carried out at Khergaon area, but on the contrary, the rate of drug suppliers and drug users seemed to rapidly rise. He said that today's drive was initiated by the members of the club along with the police in 4 different places with an aim to check the social hazard. Abdul mentioned that the club will continue to conduct similar drives.
Executive Makai akan Bamathu meeting on Pamaga, I could drop the Tapahosi and at over the Gingasi drives. Matang Satapa Papa Pakanda, Mapam Maridagi, me Yam Laba, drug edict, where Bachara, me, Haga Pangamkre. Party Bamakasina Masi, Karamanano Paraga, Gwena Pitokra Matunda, Party, Gazamak Tadur Pagi, Port Amo Salise, Masi Pashanara, Natragamakuji, Rulna, Impostor, Papangam, the Vikulai, Port Yau, the Digi Padri, Yum Yambanate, like Kedriga, the you Mari Martani, I couldn't care and a Tora Basumazum, things a little Budum Hangar Pase. Masih koi manakta koi police ki force makai yana bra haiba port amasun ujedu handa anona kalaiba SP ki makada di yam phajana phabam kaise direct jail chatle haiba ki khoina madum di ubu phangjare masi koi sarkar si dabu thagat sabam di phongduk chari Khetrigao kendra ki MLA Indrajit mahamak masamak support tawbi baga loina maha ki lising makhada ngai cha thagiba mase koi amak hanna mahapur leib leitana thagat chari
drug si Manipur da khwaidagi hena chawna phangiba mafam koi Khetrigao kendra haiba tare masida koi drive tawdna koi asaba ayon mayam ma pharaga kana thingna bona jari masigi maruiba emena objective koi tung hauleiba masamau pharaba lai laisu hairaba koi chai nau jingje afaba asengba leibak sigi oiba mi ama thamnaba honabada yuba akoi Khetrigao gi volunteer singda police na Imphal East police na mating sipangjabani haibasi thamjage.
Director of Department of Minorities and Other Backward Classes, MOBC, KH Dinesh Chandra, in a press release stated that department has granted prosecution sanctioned under 197 CRPC for trial against 2 officials of the department, namely former DDO Eld Mark Jote and account officer K. Paukang Lund, who were involved in irregularities like change in account details of students, inclusion of names of persons in the list of students selected by outsourced agency, double debit or payment of scholarship amount in the same account, etc. in the process of payment of minority pre-matric scholarship in 5th phase. The director also said that the payment of scholarship has been put on hold after the irregularities were detected. Tera Laukrakun Plekai Development Committee facilitated Chairman and Managing Director of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Naringbam Samarjit, who bagged Indian Achiever Award for Emerging Company conferred by the Indian Achievers Forum, New Delhi today. Speakers present at the function lauded and Samarjit for his initiative and contribution in boosting the economy of the society. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the meeting of the coordinating body on scheduled tribe with eminent personalities of the state. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Former Commerce and Industries Minister El Jatra has asserted that Meitei community qualifies the criteria of scheduled tribe under Article 342 of the Indian Constitution. The former minister was speaking at a meeting with the volunteers of Coordinating Body on Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee, Thawal District, as part of their opinion-seeking interaction with eminent personalities of the state today at the residence of the former minister El Jatra. Further said that during the framing of the Indian Constitution in 1950, some leaders from the state of then period recommended for Meitei to be included in the general category without consideration for the future. He said that the state is geographically different and economically backward from mainland India, and that the wrong consent to include Meitei in the general category has brought inconveniences to the community. Jatra maintained that movement for inclusion in scheduled tribe list is apt and urged all the stakeholders to support the movement.
Honorable Prime Minister na masi awang nongpoki miyang thamingai tanja sida Manipur gi amta ngaraba chotha horiba majority di ojaraga economically backward horiba aduga khudong chawa puno phangdal leraba Meitei group asi tribe amanena lauthokpasi tangai chadarba matamni.
The 105th Indian Science Congress is going on in full swing with numbers of science stalls on Manipur University campus, Kanchipur. The Science Congress, which focuses on translational science, is striving towards promoting sustainable innovations. Nobel laureates from the field of physics, chemistry, physiology, medicine, peace, economics, and mathematics are attending the Congress. Speaking to Impact News, a delegate at the event asserted that the Indian Science Congress will not only bring scientific changes in the state, but will also bring development in the entire nation. She said that the Indian Science Congress will benefit the students in boosting and materializing their innovative ideas.
Mapandai lakpa then akoigi satra sing sigi moina puthoiba ideas sing susu interaction taunaraga smain tawya mane achauba form kano taunanabagi hangdokpa ngamnabagi policy programming su khara puthoga tawya mane hana khanabagi chance mamsu mamanaba sing adagi atailamgi laiba sing su utlaga akoi state si promote tawya bagi adugumba kano so dum leigadrana khanjai.
The entire effort of the ministry is to showcase that sports needs the integration with science, and therefore we brought some equipment here from our different centers, Delhi, Calcutta, Bangalore as well. And we are doing constant live tests. That is essentially to say that integration of science with sports is going to help the Indian team and athletes to scale better heights. So that's the objective.
We are from the Ali Avarjang National Institute for Speech and Hearing Disabilities, Regional Center, Kolkata. There's been a flagship program of the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, that is the cochlear implantation program under the EDIP scheme of Government of India. In this scheme, those who are congenitally hearing impaired are given cochlear implants almost free of cost to those who have family income less than 15,000 per month.
Speaking to Impact News, several students who came to witness the Congress said that it is an honor for the state to hold the Science Congress for the first time after BJP came to power in the state. The students said that they are able to witness many scientific models which they have never seen before at the event. They mentioned that the event is an inspiration for innovative ideas. The Science Congress will continue till March 20. It may be mentioned that the 104th Indian Science Congress was held at Venkateshwara University of Tripati, Andhra Pradesh.
And the Science Congress in Base Yamnunga, Angang Satra Sing the Su, Cinemating Yampangi, exhibition Tobudegi, Angang Sing the Kang the Bakota Mayam Sukangale, Matunta the Susmai in Birakani Habiga Satozeri.
Oh, Yamnunga, it's a very great experience. I know Surakwasida Karadi impressions of Pazaro, Igedra, Kanba, the Pakalubanet, but I think we are performing very good.
Ahanba Sumaina Manipur Bangtok was the Amnunga Power Duga, a Mukpo Chatriba, Havadi, Quena Kangu, the Baze, the Putok Pirapaze, Yamnunga, Hygienic.
Tasing Amnunga, Hidi season platform, P. Second, kind of the innovative ideas, meme, Aduga, creative ideas in Putok, and a big chances and P. So Aduna, Aquida Hana Ledamba idea, the Gihen, Anova idea, Putok, chances and Pangis. Anova government say, I think change a lot. Change Kara didn't put him among the Congress Sakana Palamba the Gi. Anova ideas sing ma'am. Some Harakan Handaki Science Congress stories issue after the BJP led government Hiningi. Aduna change Kara didn't put Aduna Makatana su change Anova Mayama Purakana, Awamba Manipur Mapurak, Minasianata.
The 6-day workshop on realistic painting kicked off at Kangshang Kumant Lampak today. The workshop is being organized by Art Society Manipur and Department of Art and Culture under the approved program of Northeast Joint Culture Center. Eminent personalities in the field of art and culture and several artists attended the event. 18 senior and junior artists were taking part in the workshop.
Different styles of painting, realistic, semi-realistic, abstract, postmodern, modern, and young. What to put them up, see a quena. In Salutagazu, the weather is a quena. Hiding was realistically represent Kawaya. Manipuri was a septum. Manipuri was a Aduga, a quena Uriba. Mausali septum Puribazu realistic with parliament. Adubu, Neighbor, Wakan Kamba, Uribana. I quena. How does it Tanariba, King with a Tanariba? Realism was in a hill of Maruya and Maduna Neozi, realism and a Torpa, Intoraptula, realistic, other social realism.
A painting competition in relation to World Oral Health Day was organized at the Dental College of Janims Hospital today. Around 140 students from Class 1 to Class 8 participated in the competition. The result of the competition will be declared today in the afternoon and the prizes of the respective winners will be distributed on 20th of this month. The 7-day classical Silai School training under Usha Silai School program concluded today. The training was jointly organized by People's Development Society (PDS) and Desbandhu Club Kasar Assam under the sponsorship of Usha International Limited Guwahati. Swing machines were distributed to the participants at the closing function held at the premises of the PDS at New Chekon. Manager of Manipur Rural Bank, Dr. Prashana Kumar Bal, attended the event. Family members of former principal of DM College of Science, Dr. Ningombam Ibobi, who was the first PhD degree holder in political science from the state, extended help to an orphan home in connection with the 119th death anniversary of the late principal. It may be mentioned that Dr. N. Ibobi passed away from an illness in 1919 at his residence in Singzamay, Chingamakong, Chongtham Lekai. Family members donated clothes, food and stationery items to children at the home in Kaibi Sanapa. Son of Dr. Ibobi, Dr. Jitendra expressed that all sections of the society must extend support to the orphans. And now in sports. Bakay Sanakaitel entered the semi-final in the 5th Eld Ras Babu Memorial Junior Volleyball Tournament. In the 6th league match of the tournament that kicked off on March 14, Bakke Sanakaitel beat NYVA Team A Naurem 25-23, 25-17 and 25-18 to enter the semi-final. In the 7th league match, YMDO Herangoitong from Group B beat NYVA Team B Naurem by straight set point 25-16, 25-18 and 25-17. NYDC Team A Kaidem beat Mikya Mayang 25-18, 25-20 and 25-22, while A Samurao dropped NYDC Team B Kaidem 25-19, 25-15 and 25-11 in the 9th league match. 8 teams are taking part in the tournament organized by Young Men's Development Organization Herangoitong under the aegis of All Manipur Volleyball Association. Shillong will host the 2nd Indian Women's Football League, which will kick off from 25th of this month. Eastern Sporting Union Manipur, Rising Student Club Odisha, India Rush Soccer Club, Indira Gandhi Academy of Sport and Art Education, Gokulam FC Kerala, Kripsha Manipur and Setu Football Club will participate in the league match on knockout basis. The top 4 teams will play for semi-final and thereafter will play for the final. Defending champion Eastern Sporting Union Manipur and Indira Gandhi's Academy of Sports and Art Education will play the first match on 25th. After playing the 2 semi-final match on April 12th, final match of the league tournament will be played on April 15. Organizing Secretary of Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association, C.H. Cham Mangiland, in a press release informed that the 28th Governors Cup Invitation Polo Tournament and the 17th Governors Cup Women's Polo Tournament, which was scheduled to begin on Monday, March 19, will be postponed under further notice due to inclement weather and unfavorable condition of Imphal Polo Ground. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. People celebrate Sajibu Nongma Panba Cherauba with traditional fervor and gaiety. Imphal Police along with volunteers of Youth Voluntary Association Khergaon conducts drives against use and sale of illicit drugs at Khergaon. And former Commerce and Industries Minister El Jatra says Mighty Meete community qualifies the criteria of Scheduled Tribe under Article 342 of the Indian Constitution.